We're at the last stage of the build of the CAHRTENNA Artemis antenna. It's time to put this shrink wrap on and watch it indiscriminately shrivel up, hopefully where I want it to. I want it to cover all of my backside of the BNC connector, all of the toroid on this side. If it gets over the feed line thumb screw, I'm not worried about that. Let's see if we can make it happen. So I think I'm going to start right here. I'm on top of that ridge, partially covering the BNC connector. I don't want to get too much on that or I won't be able to attach my feed line. Enough already, just do it. "572 degrees, here we go. Look at that. Wow, that happens fast. Let's get on the back side. Oh, that's turning out just like I had hoped. Liking that, liking that. I got the whole backside of the BNC connector, which I wanted. And of course now it's shrinking up away from it. That's it, we're done. There we have it. The CAHRTENNA Artemis antenna is fully built. It's now a linked dipole. We are resonant on 10, 15, 20, and 40. Time to wrap it up and get out and play radio.